As you have just witnessed, OpenArc has come a long way, becoming the market leader with over 70% of market share in merchant banking and finance and leasing software market. It's a great honor for us to be present when OpenArc is celebrating its 15th anniversary. With a firm foundation in Sri Lanka, now the time has come for OpenArc to enter global market. It's a challenge that we all are looking for. From the inception, our chairman, Mr. Daya Hettiarachchi, had a vision to go for open architecture and hence the name OpenArc. Currently, we are working on open architectural development tools and platforms as spelled out in our chairman's address. The software development arena has a new buzzword called open source. Some of you might have some idea about open source. Recently, the trend to use open source tools in software development has increased rapidly. So, all of you may have an interest to know the new trends in open source development and to know the benefits of using open source. So, our next distinguished speaker would be the best person who can educate us on this. He is the founder of Lanka Software Foundation, which is a non-profit organization formed with the objective of promoting open source development in Sri Lanka. And also, he has been elected to the board of Open Source Initiative in year 2005 because of his valuable contribution to promote open source. Not only that, he has been involved with open source both at IBM and at Apache for several years. He is one of the co-authors of the WSDL and WSFL specifications and a co-developer of Apache SOAP, WSTK, WSDL Toolkit, WSIF, and WSGF. And also, he is well known as the father of Apache Jakarta BSF. He holds a PhD in computer science from Perth University, and currently he is a member of the Academic Advisory Board of the School of Computing of the University of Colombo and the Faculty of IT of the University of Moratuwa. Please welcome Mr. Sanjeeva Veeravarna, the chairman of WSO2.